1, 2.
Hey Naomi. Hey Naomi. I'm not sure I've seen you share that ball with him once.
What'd you say?
But you have a little ball.
Oh, she's good.
Here you go, Poppy.
What do you say, Matthew?
Nice, thank you. Good basketball. Take a picture?
Come here, Matthew. Can Matthew come?
I think so. Maddie, come here. Come here, Matthew. Hot is right. Come on. Okay, Naomi, you jump. Mommy will get it. 1, 2.
No, don't.
Okay.